Life check. The Creator gives with the chance to make change, my brother. Every heartbeat a lesson, every moment a treasure. Life twists up sudden, you no get no warning. One call, bust your bubble, your whole world starts storming. We know they are long, so we have to move right. Time short like candle, it burns through the night. Miss a life, a mindset, or your attitude define how you deal with the struggle, show the strength where you find. Rise above it all, you feel strong in your heart. Walk the walk firm, make your life leave a mark. The clock a tick fast, gratitude we have to show. Not take for granted the moments where you know. Me get the call what changed the way I view the world. She did perfect, like diamond, my precious girl. Eat good, live right, she did everything straight. But life cruel, one move, take her through the gate. If that no open your eyes, me no know where will. This life a like glass, fragile yet still. Every sunrise a gift, every breath a chance. If you walk with purpose, to make your own stance. Rise above it all, you feel strong in your heart. Walk the walk firm, make your life leave a mark. The clock a tick fast, gratitude we have to show. No take for granted the moments where you know. Every man a soldier, every woman a queen. With destiny carved from struggles unseen. So go on with your head high, now watch the trials. The mindset you choose, how we conquer the miles. It's a life of a live, no make fear punch.